Hello, this is Nitin Dahad, and I'm here at Hardware Pioneers 2024 in London with Amir Sherman, who's a Senior Director with Edge Impulse. Amir, hello.
Hello, pleasant to be here.
Tell us why you're here at the show. You're giving a talk, obviously topically Edge AI, and what you're doing with Nvidia.
Yeah, so we are very happy to be here at Hardware Pioneer in London. It's our third year that we at Edge Impulse are here, and we see this show is getting bigger and bigger every year. And as the market is really demanding for more solutions for Edge AI, today I'm going to give a presentation about how you simplify Nvidia Tao models into edge devices. And Nvidia is the hottest thing today in the market, and connected to edge devices that can run on simple microcontroller microprocessors. I see a lot of attraction. Customers want to see my lecture later on today.
And what is the biggest myth or people think about doing what you're saying?
Yeah, so what we see in the market is customers normally will start with Nvidia because they are the biggest and the greatest in the AI market. And after they run their models, they understand that in the end, it's a $500 box, GPU, massive, 10 watt, 20 watt type of application. And they said that it's the best thing for them, but in the end, they are power constrained, size, and cost. And they want to find a tool that will help them moving that specific model, that specific solution to a simple, lower cost, less power. And 5 years ago, you will never think that it's possible. It's possible, and it's possible because of Nvidia. They created that specific tool that we are integrating called the Nvidia Tao toolkit, and then you can run that type of models in power constraints, ARM-based microcontrollers with accelerators and Linux small machines. And this is incredible. And you see that the market are really looking for this type of application. Now, in the end, what Nvidia want that the entire training of AI model in the world will be in their cloud. This is the main business. Because Nvidia will never play in the $10 microcontroller market. Yeah. And this is what we are bringing today in my presentation coming from Edge Impulse.
And that sort of brings us to the story of Edge Impulse. It's been quite successful in sort of harnessing that ecosystem, hasn't it?
Yeah, so what's unique with Edge Impulse is that from the first day we started the company, so what Edge Impulse wants is to simplify and democratize machine learning to the edge to the embedded engineers. To do that, you need to support as many as technologies in the market. You cannot focus on one microcontroller on one specific IP. So we signed with multiple IP companies, the one that we published like Think Silicon and BrainChip and ARM for sure. We highlighted our ability to support multiple microcontrollers layers and microprocessor layers and AI accelerator and GPUs and DSPs. So it's all 360, and customers can use the platform to check what is the best AI solution for them for their specific application. Yeah. Nobody is able to do that. If you talk to one semiconductor company, he will say that he's the greatest, the best, and everything is good for him. But if I want to be objective, I want to test multiples. And our platform is able to test multiple technologies, a DSP-based, an ARM-based, and an AI acceleration, the neural network technology, and then what fits to you. This is the uniqueness of Edge Impulse.
Great. And what are you seeing are the big trends right now? We've had quite a lot of activity this year, and especially with Nvidia being so strong as well. But what are you seeing from your perspective?
Yeah, so it's clear, we saw it from beginning of 2024, that now Edge AI is not something unique. It's everywhere. Customers understanding, and they are asking now the right question. How Edge AI can solve my problem? Or if Edge AI is in my system, can it bring more value? And we are here to answer this type of question. And the market started to understand that AI is not only Nvidia and big stuff. It can run on small devices. And I believe this will continue to grow. More semiconductor companies, more IP to drive Edge AI in a low power application. More AI accelerators connected to embedded processing. So you have an HMI with Edge AI, and it's not only a buzz of keyword spotting and computer vision. This has been wild for 10 years. Now it's reality. And we see this in robotics, industrial, medical application, and consumer.
Well, Amir, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you for having me.